Hello everyone, welcome to a new experience of home life. Today we will take you to learn about the Yunyi Casement Window. This window is not only beautiful in design, but also combines multiple functions of efficient insulation, wide field of view, and high lighting, which can bring unlimited possibilities to your living space. Yunyi Casement Window is also called Yunyi Thermal Break Microventilated Casement Window. Its glass has a transparent area of up to 85%, allowing your space to have a large field of view and high lighting. This design not only makes the windows look more simple and atmospheric, but also maximizes the entry of natural light into the interior. This can be customized into corner window without pillars, which is suitable for a wider range of scenarios. It provides a broader view of the home and enjoy the scenery outside the window. The unique microventilation design is a highlight of the Yunyi Casement Window. By slightly opening the window can achieve natural circulation of indoor and outdoor air while ensuring safety, keeping the indoor air fresh, while effectively preventing rain, dust, and noise from entering. Combined with efficient thermal insulation technology, the window frame thickness is 90/100 mm, the opening width is 108 mm, and the wind pressure resistance can reach level 9, which can effectively reduce the conduction of cold and heat, not only keeping you warm in the cold winter, but also keeping the room cool in the hot summer, achieving energy saving and environmental protection effects. To make your living environment more comfortable, we have equipped the Yunyi Casement Window with an integrated screen design. The screen is seamlessly integrated with the window, which is not only easy to install, but also effectively prevents mosquitoes from entering the room. The fine mesh design ensures ventilation while blocking the smallest flying insects, allowing you to enjoy fresh air without being disturbed. The Yunyi Casement Window adopts an ultra-narrow frame design, which not only increases the light transmission area of the glass, but also gives the window a modern and simple appearance. The simple lines and high-end texture make the window a part of the home decoration, which can be perfectly integrated into both modern and traditional style home environments. The Yunyi Casement Window not only prevents mosquitoes, but also has excellent sound insulation. The double glazed design and the tight window frame ceiling structure effectively block external noise, making your home a quiet haven away from the hustle and bustle. By combining efficient insulation, wide view, high lighting, and convenient and safe design, Yunyi Casement Windows provide the best solution for your home space. Whether you want to enjoy bright natural light or keep warm in the cold winter, Yunyi Casement Windows can bring you an unparalleled living experience. Yunyi Casement Window can be an ideal choice for your modern family with its mosquito-proof, soundproof, and spacious and bright large space design. Thanks for watching. For more information or customized windows, please visit our website or contact us. See you next time.